friends, welcome to Mac with me, Meg. We talked about healthy choices and self-care tips, and one of them that I mentioned that I've done is avoiding dairy. Dairy is something that can really cause some indigestion, it can create inflammation. It's also something that is not super great for the environment, so in no way am I telling you what you need to do. You gotta eat what you gotta eat, man. But if you are one of the many people that wrote in asking for dairy-free options, I have some solutions for you. Here are 7 staples to get you started on avoiding dairy. In the morning when you're making your coffee, you can drink this delicious creamer, Califia Farms. It's dairy-free, it's nut-based, it avoids all kinds of processed crap that you don't need to start your day off with, a lot less sugar, and it's quite delicious if I do say so myself. Number 2, milk. Everybody knows about coconut milk, so I'm not even going to get into that, but we've been drinking flax milk and it's absolutely delicious. I really love the consistency for smoothies. This Good Karma flavor is our favorite. You're going to need butter for just about every single recipe and to put on that delicious toast. So this Earth Balance is our favorite. It also comes in a soy-free option, which I really dig. Yogurt is super good for you, right? We need those probiotics. It's a great base for a breakfast or some granola, and it's very hard to find dairy-free yogurt. But this So Delicious is something that my husband swears by. He's obsessed with it, so a testament from Will Cole is a testament that I can stand by. Mayonnaise. Look, what am I going to put on my sandwiches? This Vegan-aise is a great way to go. It's dairy-free. It's smoother than mayonnaise. I actually didn't think I liked mayonnaise, but I like Vegan-aise, so there you have it. I've told you this before, and I will tell you again. I eat dessert every night because I'm a human being and I want to live my best life. You never know how many days you're going to have, guys, so I will not give up ice cream. Guess how I've accomplished this? Yet again, So Freaking Delicious saves the day. The box is already open because, yes, I ate most of this box last night. It is true. We get these So Delicious dairy-free bars. They come in many flavors. I don't care about the other flavors. This is my flavor. It's coconut almond. And if my husband were to ask me to choose between this and him, it would take me a while is all I'm saying. It would take me a while. In order to have a comforting milkshake or a delicious brownie sundae that I told you about in the gluten-free video, you'll want to get So Delicious's, that sounds weird, pint ice cream in vanilla and put it on top of that brownie, sprinkle on some nuts, and have yourself a delicious brownie sundae that involves no gluten and no dairy, but a heck of a lot of fun in your mouth. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. I just love food, and now I need a brownie sundae. So I'm going to end this video and say, anytime you go gluten-free or you go dairy-free, awesome, give yourself a pat on the back. But when you have those days that you indulge, just let it go. No guilt. Food is here to sustain our bodies and to fuel our bodies. It's not something that needs to bring us shame or make us feel bad about ourselves. So avoiding dairy is really good for the environment. It's great for our digestion. And when we do slip up or indulge, just let that guilt go and put it towards making good choices moving forward. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day, whether you're dairy-free, gluten-free, or eating a Big Mac in your face right now. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up if you dig it, subscribe to Meg Allan Cole Crafts Mac, and be sure to leave a comment below letting me know what type of content you want to see right here. I'll see you guys later. Bye.